as we go to a naturalization oath ceremony. Yes, that was a mouthful, but this is where people become citizens. This is where people's American dreams come true. So I had three clients that were becoming citizens on this day. So, of course, I had to show up and make sure that I capture this moment because again, this is why I do what I do. You can see the place is already filling up, and I am going to actually let y'all see exactly what happens at that oath ceremony. What does the oath look like? So go ahead, and I hope you enjoy this. Let me know in the comments.
Citizenship and Immigration Services at these proceedings today. Your Honor, there are 184 applicants for naturalization present today who wish to change their names as part of the naturalization process. The government has investigated the reasons for these changes and interposes no objections. I respectfully move that all 184 name changes be allowed.
The motion for name changes will be allowed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, there are 744 applicants for naturalization present today. Each applicant has been duly examined under the provisions of the Immigration and Naturalization Act of 1952 as amended. Each has been found well qualified for United States citizenship. At this time, Your Honor, I respectfully move that the oath of allegiance be administered to all 744 applicants, thus bestowing on them one of our nation's highest honors, United States citizenship.
That motion will be allowed and the oath will be administered.
Applicants for citizenship, please stand and raise your right hand. Repeat after me, saying your name after the word I. I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty, of whom or of which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by law, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. You may be seated.
Getting to witness 744 people become citizens has to be one of the best feelings in the world. And knowing that I had anything to do with one of them, talk less of three of them, being in that room, when I tell you this made my whole month, it made my whole month. And guess what? There's more coming. If you have never witnessed an oath ceremony in person, I highly recommend it because these people have worked so hard to become citizens. They are now eligible to vote, get a US passport, and some of them may be traveling to their home country for the first time since they came to the US. So this is such a momentous occasion, and I just wanted to share that with you all. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments if you have ever been to an oath ceremony. I know I have been to my own, my mom's, and my sister's. So I am very much used to old ceremonies. So feel free to let me know in the comments if you have ever been to one, witnessed one, gone to see your family members get sworn in. If you have any other immigration needs and you are looking for guidance, you're looking for someone to walk you through this process, hold your hand through it, go ahead and schedule a strategy session with me because that is the best way for us to know if we can help you and what the process of helping you looks like. You can do that by going to my website, lilylegal.com, and clicking on contact us, and you'll be able to schedule a time and date that works best for you. You can also call my office at 508-443-1788 and get your strategy session scheduled.